In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jotform lead capture form. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to streamline the process of gathering and managing potential client information. Let's dive in. To begin with, log into your Jotform account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look for the Create Form button and click on it. Here, you'll have two options. You can choose Start from Scratch if you want a blank canvas, or Use Template, where you can search for lead capture templates. Using a template can save a lot of time and effort by giving you a head start with pre-designed fields. After you've initiated the form creation, you'll be in the Form Builder. This is where you add the specific data fields that will make your lead capture form effective. Click on Add Form Element Plus and drag the essential fields into your form. Make sure to include full name, email, which is crucial for follow-ups, and phone number. You might also consider adding company/job title, although this is optional. To gather more specific information, incorporate fields like short text or drop-downs for industry or budget details. Lastly, depending on your needs, don't forget the consent checkbox for GDPR compliance. Once your fields are all set, it's time to customize the form's design to align with your brand. Click on the Form Designer represented by a paint roller icon. You can add your company logo and adjust the colors to match your branding. If you want to improve user engagement, consider switching to card layout, which presents one question per page. Additionally, it's helpful to add a short introduction message explaining to users what they will gain by completing this form. Now, let's incorporate some automations to make your life easier. Navigate to Settings and then onto Emails. Set up a notification email so you'll be alerted whenever a new lead submits the form. Also, configure an autoresponder email to automatically thank prospects for their submissions. Further, under Settings, go to Integrations to seamlessly connect your form with useful tools like CRMs such as HubSpot or Salesforce, email marketing tools like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, and even Google Sheets for straightforward tracking. Don't forget to make your form's call to action compelling. Edit the Submit button text to something engaging, like get my free quote, sign me up, or claim your offer, encouraging users to take the intended action. Once everything is set up, it's time to publish and share your form. Click on Publish at the top of the page. You can share your form through a direct link, which is useful for emails, ads, or social media. Alternatively, you can embed the form directly onto your website or landing page. For in-person events, a QR code can be a great sharing option. And there you have it, a complete Jotform lead capture form ready to bring in those valuable leads.